making him sneeze in the dust.
Well, don't come to me for help, Bruce. Get him, Babsy. Get him, Babsy. Huh? Doesn't he want to play with you? Where's Babsy? Where's Babsy? He's tired from making this dog play.
He's not 100% yet.
No, it's obvious. But he's definitely feeling better.
Oh,
God,
believe
it's
me,
definitely-
this is 100%.
Call him, see if he'll come to you.
100% better
Come here,
than he was.
Bruce. Bruce. Uh-oh, you're ignoring me? You're ignoring me? Come here.
Brucey, go see your daddy.
Come here.
I can't tell you, he's smiling so much today. It's just amazing.
Well, he's got both his people with him.
What are you looking
You know,
at?
he was happy that daddy didn't go to work.
That too.
There we